Emergency SOS is a safety feature on iPhone that can quickly call emergency services and notify your contacts when you need help. However, some users accidentally trigger it and prefer to turn certain options off. In this guide, I will show you how to enable or disable emergency SOS on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app. Here, scroll down and tap on Emergency SOS. Inside the Emergency SOS menu, you will see several settings that control how this feature works. Depending on your iPhone model and iOS version, you may see Call with Hold and Release, Call with 5 button presses, Call Quietly, and Call after severe crash. This is available on certain iPhone models. Now to enable Emergency SOS, turn on any of the calling methods you want to use. For example, enable Call with Hold and Release to start an emergency call by holding the side button and volume button. Enable Call with 5 button presses to call emergency services by quickly pressing the side button 5 times. If you want to prevent accidental emergency calls, simply turn off the emergency SOS options you don't want to use. You can toggle off Call with Hold and Release and Call with 5 button presses. You can disable one or both options depending on your preference. While you are here, tap Set up emergency contacts in Health if you would like emergency responders and loved ones to be notified during an emergency. You can add, edit, or remove emergency contacts from the Health app. So that's how you can enable or disable emergency SOS on an iPhone. Remember, emergency SOS is an important safety feature, so consider carefully before turning it off completely. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone and Apple tutorials. Thanks for watching.